Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the revolve command. Okay, so revolve command is used to revolve the geometry about its axis and to add the material. So for that purpose you need to draw a sketch. So with the help of this sketch we are going to create this kind of object by using the revolve command. Okay, now to use the revolve command you need to draw a sketch first. So with the help of this tool, that is the sketch tool, I am drawing the sketch here. So just click here and select the front plane. So this is the front plane, so that I can draw the sketch on a front plane. Now I have selected the plane. As I have selected the plane has become the parallel to the screen. Okay, now you can easily draw the sketch here. So for drawing the sketch I'm using this line command from the drop down list, as well as I can use this line command by using its shortcuts as L. Okay, so I'm just using the L for a shortcut command. So I'll draw the horizontal line and we'll draw the profile of a dumbbells. Okay, dumbbells का profile मैं यहाँ पर create करने वाला. Okay, so this is a 30. Now vertical dimensions I will take here as 30 again. Then horizontal dimension I'm taking as a 15. Again this inner vertical dimensions I'm taking as a 30. Then horizontal dimensions I can take as a 15 here. Then vertical dimension, see this is the 15. Now as I have entered the 15 diameter, 15 distance, now I can take the vertical dimension again as a 30. See this is the vertical dimension 30 I have taken here. Now again press L for taking the line, and you can just click here so that you can draw the line of 30 distance. Okay, so I have clicked here point, last point here, and I can join the or close the geometry. Now as the geometry is completed with the proper dimensions, you can click the finish sketch here. Okay, now see this is the finish sketch option, so that as you click on a finish sketch you will be entered into the part environment. Now this sketch should be in the isometric view, so that you can click here for making this view or making this plane as a isometric, so that this plane will becomes the isometric. Okay, now as the geometry is completed, means sketch is completed, you can use the revolve command. Now the revolve command is available in the create drop down list. From here you can select this revolve command. Now just select the revolve command. As you select the revolve command, a drop down list will be open in front of you likewise. Okay, so this is the revolve command drop down list, in which you have to select first profile, then axis about which that profile has to be revolved, then type through which you have to add the material, then its direction as well as its operation. Okay, so one by one we will select these operations or these parameters. So first of all profile. Now by default this profile has been selected as it is in a blue color. Okay, so this profile is selected. Now axis, I have to select the axis here. So I'm just selecting this icon and will select the axis as a vertical, this line. Okay, so I'm considering this vertical line as a axis. Okay, as I have selected the axis, now this profile, okay, this blue profile is rotating at an angle of 360 degree. Okay, so it is adding the material by revolving the geometry about its axis. Okay, now you can change the angle here. Okay, now see this is the angle 360 it has already considered, and one direction it has considered, as well as it has considered the operation as a new body because this is the first body. Okay, so if you want to change the angle, you can change the angle from this side also. Okay, so if you want a 180 angle, you can press the enter, so that the material will be extruded or material will be revolved by 180 angle. Okay, now you can click here and you can edit the features. If you edit the feature, you can change its angle as a 360. So as you have entered 360, it is adding the material as a 360. Now click OK option. Okay, as you have clicked the OK option, so this object is completed here. Okay, now the next operation which we are going to perform here, that is the fillet operation. Okay, so for the fillet operation is available in the modify command. This is the fillet option, and the shortcut is F. Okay, so I'm using the shortcut as a F. Just press the F option. So F, keyboard button. Then as you select the keyboard mouse button, this kind of drop down list will be open here. Now select any edge. I'm selecting this upper edge. Now see I have selected the upper edge, and at this point, at this drop down, you have to enter the fillet radius. Okay, or the radius of that corner. Okay, now I have entered the radius as a 8. Now I can press the control and I can select the remaining edges. Now see I'm selecting the remaining edges here. Now see, as I have selected these all remaining edges, and I can press the OK button now. Okay. Now see, as I have entered the OK button, you can see here this dumbbell is completely filleted with a